Hello everyone, I am Batu, a pre-sales software specialist from American Workflows. Today, we are diving deep into the marvelous APS software, a pivotal to revolutionizing the defense industry by enhancing manufacturing process with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Let's get started. We begin in the heart of our system, the APS session overview. Integral to the scheduling mechanism, each session recognizable by a unique session number, such as sample 16. Orchestrates our planning scenario in the defense industry with unmatched clarity. From the plant column, pinpointing production locations to the plant status, showcasing operational insights. Each element is meticulously designed for the dynamic needs of the defense industry. Moving on, let's navigate to the interface. In the defense industry, managing multiple manufacturing sites efficiently is paramount. The plant section showcasing locations like A Plant 01 is where this critical coordination begins. The explanation column reveals the intricacies behind each planning scenario, a feature that defense industry professionals will find invaluable for handling specific production runs or adjustments. The defined starting date and end date of each session underscores the importance of tight scheduling in the defense industry, ensuring production aligns with demand forecasts and delivery schedules. With the plant status, start shift, and end shift columns, the defense industry's dynamic production window comes into view, providing insights into operational status and active shifts. We can notice how sections like capacity calculation and non-working time empower users with the ability to fine-tune resource planning, a critical aspect for maintaining efficiency in the defense industry. The Gantt chart lays out the scheduling with colors indicating various states of operations, a testament to our software's capability in managing the complex production schedules typical in the defense industry. In the assigned section, each job is meticulously cataloged, reflecting the precision required in the defense industry. From sales order note to job status, the level of detail ensures seamless tracking and execution. Resource allocation is optimized here, ensuring that every aspect of the production aligns with the high standards of the defense industry. Next, the productively produced, semi-produced section. It showcases a detailed list of items in the production pipeline, emphasizing our commitment to timely delivery and precise manufacturing in the defense industry. With every detail from good ID to delivery date, this module exemplifies a sophisticated and integrated approach needed for success in the defense industry. The material usage detail section highlights our strategic planning in material allocation, an essential factor in minimizing waste and optimizing production in the defense industry. Each entry here is a step towards sustainable manufacturing, reflecting the evolving ethos of the defense industry. Lastly, the capacity table section. It's here the software's efficiency shines, allowing for detailed resource allocation and planning, mirroring the complexity and the dynamism of the defense industry. The efficient and capacity utilization features underscores our commitment to optimizing every facet of the production in the defense industry. With the marvelous APS software, navigating the complexities of modern manufacturing in the defense industry becomes a streamlined, efficient, and fully optimized journey. From planning to execution, this tool is your gateway to achieving excellence in the defense industry. That wraps up our overview of the system. If you're interested in further discussions or would like to explore some customization options, please reach out to us. Thank you.